can use Buzz Manage Groups feature to remove the guesswork from directing student work. To create groups, I will go to the People page of the specific course that I want to create groups. From here, go to your Tools area and click Manage Groups. You will have a list of all the groups you have created where you can delete or copy groups. You also can create a group by clicking Adding Grouping. You will need to give the group a prefix. Each group that is generated uses this prefix and a number to indicate that they're a part of the group set. So, for example, this could be Project Biosphere. You then choose your group creation method. If you choose a fixed number, you need to specify the number of groups. If you choose target number of students per group, you need to specify the number of students per group. Choose the desired group assignment method from the drop-down list. Random means it will randomly assign students to the group. Round robin assigns the first student in the list to the first group and the second student to the second group, and so on. Alphabetical is by first name. Homogeneous by performance, group students with those who have the most similar scores. Heterogeneous by performance, evenly distributes performance, so groups end up with a balanced range of scores. Heterogeneous by performance, top to bottom, groups the highest scoring students with the lowest scoring, and then the next highest with the next lowest, and so on. Heterogeneous by performance, quarter, groups the highest scoring students with the next to lowest scoring students, then next to the highest scoring students with the next lowest scoring, and so on. When you're ready, click Generate Group. You can then modify which group students are in. If you deselect each person in only one group, you can modify which group they belong to. You can filter by clicking on the groups. If you want to add a group, simply click Add a Group here at the top, and it will continue to create a column for each of those. When you're done, you click Save. If I open a group and I choose the settings, I can choose to score display options, clear all, or generate groups. If we choose Score Display Options, you can create groups based on performance. The percent is to use the overall performance, and the activity percent is to show performance on a specific activity. This requires you to select the desired activity from the drop-down. These are activities from this course. This will then group them by the percent they received on this activity. Again, when you're done, you can click Save.